So I'm going to do a clean with me. I did get some stuff from Amazon. Y'all know I've been showing y'all. Y'all to just see when everything unfold. I just need, look, some motivation. I need some motivation. I'm gonna give you guys some motivation. Get up and clean up y'all room. Okay. I want to start making my bed every morning. I usually just throw the blanket or comforter just on the bed. This is what I'm going to be doing in this video today. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Do not leave here without subscribing. Do your girl a favor. Do us a favor, okay? Because it's not just my channel. I have a family channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Come on, let's get this room together. So stay tuned.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like your man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. Big ass, get that ooh, baby. Big ass, get that ooh. Big ass, get that ooh, baby. Big ass, get that, get that, get that ooh, get that, get that, get that, get that ooh, get that, get that, get that, get that ooh, get that, get that, get that, get that ooh, get that, get that, get that, get that, get that
Okay, yeah. So I am. I'm done, but then I'm not done. It's getting pretty late, and I want to get the kids together in bed, as well as myself, because I have to work tomorrow and the kiddos have to go to school. But I'm gonna just show y'all really quick what I done. Y'all, that bench gave me a run for my money. Just to let y'all know, I'm not done with the room. This is what I done so far. Y'all let me know in the comments down below. You see your girl is sweating. It's hot up here. But let me know in the comments down below if you guys like the room so far. Yeah. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, y'all. See you guys in the next video.
get that.